everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing another speed clean video for you all because it's a really highly requested video, so I am doing a speed clean today. But I'm not doing like the whole house or anything like that. I am doing the bathroom. As you can see, this is where I am at the minute. My bathroom is in need of a really big deep clean. It's just looking a bit gross at the minute, so I'm going to clean the bathroom and I'm going to show you all the products that I'm going to use, because I've just pretty much, like this weekend, like yesterday I went shopping and I bought loads of brand new cleaning products because at the minute I'm just really like into, I don't know what it is, I've caught like the cleaning bug, and I've been following a lot of like cleaning accounts on Instagram and stuff, and like following lots of cleaning videos on YouTube and stuff, so I had to go out and buy a lot of stuff, and yeah, so I'm excited to use them. Some of them I've not used before. If you do hear noises in the background, Harrison is supposed to be sleeping. He's gone down for a nap. His bedroom is literally just there, right next to the bathroom. So if you can hear like screeching, then that's what that is. And also, I've got all my windows shut because there's like kids outside playing, but you might be able to hear them as well, so, but I do apologise for that. But yeah, let's just get straight into the video and let's just clean everything. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take everything off, like the shelves, the bath. I'm just going to remove everything. I'm just going to pop it outside so that I can clean everywhere. Tidied all here and all of here. There was like shampoos and stuff, and I'm just gonna clean the bath now. It is looking really grubby because James had a shower this morning, and yeah, because men just don't clean after themselves. Some of this all over the bath, all over the sink, and I'm just going to leave that, and then I'm just going to rub it away. The one I'm using is the pink flower one, Sif Micro Crystals. So we're just going to squirt that everywhere, all over the sink as well. I'm just going to wipe it down with one of these sponges. I would normally use like something that's a bit like rough, but I haven't actually got any. I've only got these at the minute, so I'm just going to wipe everything down with this. These cloths, I know that they say these are for the kitchen, but I'm just going to use them in the bathroom. I'm sure it'll be fine. Basically all you need is water, so you're just going to wipe it clean with this. So I'm just going to wipe the taps, and these are like, doesn't make it streak, like they're all It makes it streak free, so there's no streakiness, and you don't even have to use any products, you literally just use water. So I'm just going to wipe it with this, and then I'm also going to do the mirror as well. I'm also just going to spray on the taps some lime scale remover. I'm also going to spray this on the shower and the shower screen as well. So I'm just going to wipe that clean with my little sponge. Is because this is quite it's quite harsh, and you don't have to, but I just put them on because I've got really sensitive skin and it just irritates my hands a little bit, so that's why I'm wearing some gloves. But this stuff's really good. It's perfect for bathrooms to like descale, like get rid of your lime scale and stuff, and I think my partner got me this. Yeah, it's really good. Pop some of this in the toilet and also some of this as well. So this is really good. You just want to put a cap full of this and pop it in the toilet, and it smells amazing. Clean my windowsills and things with this Method bathroom spray. All the bathroom now. I'm just going to put everything back, and then I'm just going to mop the floor. Okay, so that's everything nice and clean, all clean. As you can see, it was awful before. Nice and clean. So my diffuser is empty, as you can see, so I'm just going to show you a little tip that I learnt from somebody. So if you get a bit of your favourite zoflora, which my favourite is the pink grapefruit one, I've just lit a candle and there's black ash everywhere. So I might have to do this over the sink just so I don't spill it. So I've just filled that up with zoflora and I'm just going to pop those back in. There we go. Good as new, although I've just spilled it there, but that's fine. Perfect. Now it smells like pink grapefruit in here, which is just lovely. So yeah, all nice and clean. So that was my little bathroom clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm absolutely sweating, by the way, so if I do look really shiny, it's because I'm absolutely sweating. It's like a sweatbox in that room, and I couldn't have the window open because of background noise outside. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want me to do more cleaning videos, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And also, if you do want me to film more speed cleans, more cleaning kind of videos, write a comment down below what kind of videos you want me to film, and I will be sure to get those wrote on my list. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Whew. Bye, guys.